What's up, everyone? Today we're pitting the beastly ASUS ROG Flow Z13 against the ultra-refined Lenovo Yoga 9i Aura Edition. It's raw gaming power versus the king of battery life, but which is the right 2-in-1 for you in 2026? Watch till the end before you buy, because I'm crowning a winner. Check the description for the latest deals, and please hit that like button. It helps the channel a ton. When pitting the ASUS ROG Flow Z13 against the Lenovo Yoga 9i Aura Edition, you're looking at two masterclasses in premium engineering that prioritize completely different lifestyles. The Flow Z13 is an aggressive, industrial-looking powerhouse that embraces its identity as a high-performance tablet. Built from dense aluminum, it feels incredibly rigid and purposefully thick at 0.51 inches to accommodate its ambitious cooling system. It leans into a gamer aesthetic with a transparent rear window and RGB accents. Yet the sturdy integrated kickstand gives it a functional utilitarian vibe that feels like it could survive a rugged commute. In contrast, the Lenovo Yoga 9i Aura Edition is the epitome of sophisticated minimalism. Its CNC machined aluminum chassis features softened, rounded edges and a cosmic blue finish that feels much more at home in a boardroom or a high-end cafe. While the ASUS is a detachable, the Lenovo uses a 360-degree rotating soundbar hinge that allows it to flip into various modes while maintaining a traditional laptop's structural integrity. At 2.91 pounds, it's slightly heavier than the tablet portion of the Z13, but feels sleeker and more balanced as a singular unit. Connectivity highlights a surprising reversal of roles. Usually, tablets are port-starved, but the Flow Z13 2025 is remarkably well-equipped, offering a full-size HDMI port and a micro SD slot, features creators often crave. The Yoga 9i, while featuring dual Thunderbolt 4 ports for high-speed data, curiously lacks that onboard HDMI and a card reader, forcing users into the dongle life for presentations or file transfers. While both machines offer USB-A and headphone jacks, the ASUS feels like a portable workstation designed for expansion, whereas the Lenovo focuses on a streamlined wireless forward future. When examining the interactive experience of these two machines, the contrast between the ASUS ROG Flow Z13 and the Lenovo Yoga 9i Aura Edition is immediately apparent through their display technologies. The Flow Z13 features a 13.4-inch IPS panel that prioritizes speed and visibility, boasting a high 180 Hz refresh rate that makes every cursor movement and high-speed gaming sequence feel incredibly fluid. Its 1600p resolution provides a sharp canvas, and its peak brightness is specifically engineered to combat glare in varied environments, ensuring that the gamer on the go can maintain visibility regardless of overhead lighting. In contrast, the Lenovo Yoga 9i leans into the luxury of OLED technology. Its 14-inch 2.8K screen offers a slightly larger workspace with the hallmark infinite contrast and vibrant saturation that only organic light-emitting diodes can provide. While its 120 Hz refresh rate is lower than the ASUS, it remains significantly smoother than standard 60 Hz displays, making it a dream for creative professionals who prioritize color depth and ink-like blacks over the absolute frame rate ceiling required by competitive gamers. The input experience further highlights the divergent philosophies of these devices. ASUS faces the inherent challenge of the detachable form factor, yet the included magnetic keyboard is surprisingly robust. It offers a tactile response and key travel that punches above its weight for a slim cover, and the slight ergonomic tilt helps it feel more like a traditional typing deck. However, its touchpad is necessarily compact due to the limited vertical real estate on a 13-inch tablet footprint. On the other side, the Yoga 9i offers a full-width permanent keyboard deck that feels more grounded and familiar for long-form writing. Its keys have a softer, dampened feel that whispers premium office environment. Interestingly, Lenovo sticks with a traditional mechanical click for its touchpad A-choice that feels slightly dated against some modern haptic competitors, but it provides a much larger surface area for gestures than the ASUS. Both devices embrace stylus support, but the Lenovo's inclusion of the linear pen and the natural give of its 360-degree hinge makes it feel more like a dedicated digital sketchbook, whereas the ASUS feels like a high-speed workstation that happens to support touch. The audio-visual and communication hardware on these machines reveals a lot about their intended daily driver status. The Yoga 9i is a master of the conference call, utilizing a 5-megapixel webcam paired with Lenovo's Aura Edition AI suites to ensure the user looks sharp and well-framed. Its rotating soundbar hinge is a stroke of engineering genius, ensuring that whether the device is in tent mode for a movie or tablet mode for a presentation, the 4-speaker system is always firing directly at the user with clarity and unexpected depth. The Flow Z13, while featuring a perfectly serviceable camera system for standard video chats and a secondary rear-facing camera for quick captures, doesn't quite reach that level of acoustic immersion. Its speakers are impressively loud and clear for a tablet, but the thinness of the chassis naturally limits the resonance and bass response that the larger Yoga 9i can sustain. Perhaps the most dramatic divergence between these two 2-in-1s lies in their endurance and power management. The ASUS ROG Flow Z13 2025 has made massive strides in efficiency, clocking in at over 13 hours of video playback, a figure that was once unheard of for a machine capable of high-end gaming. It manages this through the clever use of AMD's Ryzen AI Max platform and unified memory, allowing it to perform intensive tasks without the massive power drain typical of a discrete graphics card. However, the Lenovo Yoga 9i Aura Edition operates in an entirely different stratosphere of longevity. By leveraging the extreme efficiency of Intel's Core Ultra Series 2 Lunar Lake architecture, it has recorded over 25 hours of battery life in standardized testing. This represents a fundamental shift in how the device is used. While a ZD13 user can confidently leave the charger behind for a full workday, a Yoga 9i user can effectively ignore the battery icon for multiple days of light to moderate use. One machine is built to be the most portable version of a power-hungry gaming rig, while the other is built to be a marathon runner that simply refuses to run out of breath. Under the hood, these two machines represent a fascinating clash between raw, brute force engineering and highly optimized efficiency. The ASUS ROG Flow Z13 2025 is built around AMD's Ryzen AI Max platform, specifically the high-end Max Plus 395. This is a monster of a chip for a tablet form factor, packing 16 Zen 5 cores and 32 threads. It fundamentally changes the game by using a unified memory architecture, where up to 96 GB of RAM can be dynamically shared between the CPU and the Radeon 8060S integrated graphics. On the other hand, the Lenovo Yoga 9i Aura Edition utilizes Intel's Core Ultra 7258V from the Series 2 lineup. While it also features an integrated NPU for AI tasks and built-in Intel Arc 140V graphics, its architecture is tuned for a cool and quiet experience rather than breaking benchmark records. It's a platform designed to provide a snappy, responsive feel for the modern professional without generating the heat levels typically seen in gaming-grade silicon. When it comes to creative editing and heavy productivity, the difference in horsepower becomes clear. The Flow Z13 acts like a compressed workstation. Its high core count allows it to tear through CPU-intensive tasks like 3D rendering, code compilation, and 4K video transcoding with a speed that rivals much larger traditional laptops. It is a legitimate tool for the mobile creator who needs to edit on a plane or at a shoot without waiting for progress bars. The Yoga 9i is certainly no slouch in this department, handling photo editing, digital sketching, and casual video projects with ease. However, it is clearly intended for the prosumer or office power user. It excels at multitasking across dozens of browser tabs and office apps while keeping the chassis comfortable to the touch, but it doesn't quite have the deep thermal headroom required for the sustained, heavy-duty rendering that the ASUS thrives on. The most stark contrast, however, lies in gaming performance. The Flow Z13 defies the traditional limitations of integrated graphics. The Radeon 8060S within the Ryzen AI Max chip delivers a level of performance that actually competes with mid-range dedicated gaming laptops. It can push modern AAA titles at 1080p or 1200p with respectable frame rates, especially when utilizing AMD's FSR upscaling. It is, quite literally, the most powerful gaming tablet ever made, capable of handling ray tracing and competitive esports titles at high refresh rates. The Lenovo Yoga 9i, despite its stunning OLED screen, treats gaming as a secondary hobby. The Intel Arc 140V graphics are perfectly capable of running older titles, indie games, or modern games at lower settings, but it isn't designed to be a primary gaming rig. While the Lenovo offers a beautiful visual experience for media, the ASUS is the only one of the two that can truly be called a gaming machine, proving that unified memory can bridge the gap between integrated and discrete graphics in a way we haven't seen before in the Windows ecosystem. So, who wins? If you want a sleek, beautiful 2-in-1 that lasts for days, the Lenovo Yoga 9i is unbeatable. But the 2026 winner is the ASUS ROG Flow Z13. Its unified memory is a total game changer, giving you pro-level editing and gaming in a tablet that actually has all the ports you need. It's the ultimate do-it-all machine.